In this video, I'm going to go over the Builderall App Creator. What is up, guys and gals? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be covering the Builderall App Creator. And the Builderall App Creator is just another awesome tool that Builderall incorporates, which is worth the monthly price alone. So with the Builderall App Creator, you can create any kind of app that you can think of. You could even create your own Uber app if you wanted to. How crazy is that? Think about that for a minute. So the App Creator is a really powerful tool which is included in Builderall's arsenal, and I cannot wait to show it to you. So let's dive in. The App Creator is really cool because a lot of people still look at apps as a mystery. They have no idea how to create an app, and that you even can without much coding knowledge. So if you walk into a store and say, hey, can I build an app for you? They look at you like you're a genius, because most people think that apps are really, really hard to create. But with the App Creator inside Builderall, you can use it to create apps really, really easily. So let's jump into the App Creator. So we're now in the App Creator, and we're going to create a test app, just so you can see all of the cool functions inside the app builder. And apparently it needs to be at least 6 characters long, so let's try that again. So now we've created the app, we're waiting for it to load the next page. And now we're on the next page. We can choose all the design, all the background colors and everything, how our app's going to look on the phone. So you can change the text, the font, all the background images and design. And then on the next page, you're going to see the colors for the design, and then we're going to go on to features. So I'm going to skip to features quickly so you can see all the features in the app builder. So now we're in the app builder, you can see all the different pages that you can get. You can actually build your own Uber from the app. How cool is that? You can actually create your own taxi service. You can run contests, you can do donations, discounts, forms, images. There's just so much stuff you can do. You can create your own social media site, you can do your Shopify drop shipping, and there's just tons and tons and tons of different apps that you can add in. So once you've followed the tutorials and the trainings on the app builder, there's no limit to the amount of apps that you can build inside of the Builderall platform. So there you have a brief overview of the mobile app creator. There's so much you can do within it. I would like you to jump in and have a go yourself, see what you think of it. So if you're ready to jump in, hit the link below to start your 7-day free trial and start playing around with the mobile app creator and all the other awesome tools inside of Builderall. You get a full 7-day unlimited free trial. So hit the link in the description if you want to try that out. And I cannot wait to see you build something awesome inside of Builderall. So thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you found it useful, please smash that like button, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification to be updated on any of my new videos, and I will see you in the next one.